Hey everyone, and welcome to my CoinPayments crypto payment app review. Check the description below for links. Today, we'll explore its features, ideal users, and real-world performance. CoinPayments is a versatile app for businesses and individuals wanting to send and receive crypto. Supporting over 2,000 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, it's one of the most comprehensive platforms available. This makes it perfect for merchants, service providers, and anyone looking to transact with a wide range of crypto. A key feature is its merchant services, offering a payment gateway for businesses to accept various cryptocurrencies. This is ideal for online and physical stores wanting to integrate crypto payments. Instant conversion to fiat currencies simplifies cash flow management and minimizes volatility concerns. For individual users, CoinPayments offers a mobile wallet with low transaction fees compared to competitors. It also integrates with platforms like WooCommerce and Shopify, offering great customization for businesses. However, while supporting a vast range of cryptocurrencies, the interface can feel overwhelming for newcomers. Withdrawal fees also vary, so check those before transacting. Overall, CoinPayments is excellent for merchants and business owners needing a complete crypto payment solution. Its extensive coin support, flexible integrations, and low fees make it a great tool for the crypto-savvy. While potentially challenging for beginners, it's a powerful platform worth exploring.